Hello guys, today I'm playing Super Striker, trying to get the badge, the RB badge. So if you guys don't know, there's a huge event in Roblox called RB Battles, and basically there's like 16 YouTubers that is gonna like contest, just going competition, compete, just compete against each other and see who can get the thing. So yeah. So I'm just gonna try to do what they did. Okay. Steal. Come on. Get it. Come on. Try to ram it in. Oh, robots. Come on. So I'm just gonna. Oh, it's just like 1v1. Okay, so that's pretty easy. Just nobody ramming me everywhere. Okay, so I'm just going. Okay, that guy's at me. So I'm pretty sure he's not gonna get past my goalie. Just gonna. Okay, I think steal it. Oh no, he used the ball. Special up. Oh my god. Guys, I'm pretty bad at this game, but yeah. I'm just gonna go one to the goal.
Where you go? How did you get the badge?
Just do exactly what the YouTubers did. Which I don't know what they did. You're like talking to me instead I just like, okay, I'm just gonna ram him out of the game. Steal it. Come on. Dodge this guy. Oh my god.
This guy's fast.
No, we're not the same. He doesn't even have the first sword. Come on. Come on. Oh yeah, he just passed it to me. Oh my god. Robots shooting lasers. Okay. Just get him. Okay. B deactivated. Okay. Q, I mean. Which I. Okay. Boop. Okay.
Oh
Okay, this time I'm just gonna shoot it. Okay. At least he's not getting any shots.
Where you go?
As if you're any better.
I'm not better,
But like. I mean, he's just doing the same thing I did. Come on, let's go.
I feel like this is gonna be a video match right now.
Still, I'm just thinking. Oh my god. Oh no, my goal is like low. Come on.
Can he die and then just reload?
What do you mean?
Why does he run so slow? Wait.
Who runs so slow? That's just a goalie, I don't know. Okay, we're recording a video, by the way. Okay, you know what? I'm just going to get a power up. Is this the power up? No, that's not a power up. That's the green Phoenix. Okay, I'm just going to get a power up and show it at them.
That's the power ups are like
This thing.
no.
Yes, it is. You're like, power up is this. Trying just a walk. Should I like throw at him? Wait, does it actually catch throw the walk at him? Okay, so you can damage him.
Oh my god.
What?
How?
I got to shoot fast if just a person is chasing me.
Is this the hardest part?
God.
The goalie kicks the ball
Come on.
Rock.
If I just get one hit at him, then I can. Blah. Q in it. Why did I just do that? Accidentally plus left click. Come on. Power it up. Come on. Oh my god. Goldie's pretty annoying. Okay. Just need the ball. Get it? Yeah. Just shoot lasers at. Oh my god.
Do you get the badge if you score?
Yes, if I won this, I'm pretty sure. Kind of hard, you know. Not get God at this, and also angry robot chasing me. Come on.
What if that happened at 0 seconds?
Sudden death, 0-0. So whoever gets the first shot wins.
10 minutes later.
Come on.
Oh my god.
Goldies are so annoying. This Goldie, it's like. Oh my god, angry robots. No. He still has like 1 health. Okay, I'm just gonna do impulse skill. Just gonna pass it on all the way, just dribbling, so you won't get the ball. Steal, and then do a hit, and somebody exploded me. I mean the robots. The robots is exploding right when I was about to make the shot. Okay, don't shoot me, robots. Ugh. Robots are so annoying.
Oh no.
My Goldie's health is regenerating. Oh. Okay. I lost. Okay, do you want it? Sure, if you're better. Okay, so now, Alan's gonna try, and yeah.
I never played this game, so.
Yeah, you're probably better than me.
So I don't think I'm so much. Yeah, score goal, Wally.
You're doing. This is a waiting room. It starts in 20 seconds.
I'm just going it.
Customize. Maybe you can get like a limited RB battle shirt. Customize. And customize. There might be some power-ups. Customize. And the game started now. Totally. Okay, let's go. Get a ball. Use steal. Nice steal. No, yeah, shoot there. Shoot there. Oh, no. Plus. Okay. Right click to hold right click a bit longer. He just shot and don't go. Your blue team shoot at the red team. Okay, get the ball. Shoot a bit harder. Hold. What are you doing? Those are like aimbot robots, so you cannot dodge them. Don't shoot that high. Just like don't even hold it and then just shoot. Oh, that guy shoots noob. That guy's a tower defense player. Just like me.
Yeah. Can't get it. Just go.
No, just charge around the goal. Charge and shoot. Because if you charge, then the goalie will hit you. Just charge while shooting.
Well, he's gonna die, so.
Yeah, just you don't need to dodge the laser because you will always get hit. Don't try to dodge it. Just wasting your energy. Press E. Use your power up. Yeah. Now you're fast. Just run right into him and then boom. Okay, just like 2 more hits and then that goalie's dead. Okay, 1 more hit. Then he's probably tired. He just uses power up at you. Come on, just shoot at him. No! Just shoot in. Just go. That because he was at the goalie. Why are you shooting white direct shot at the goalie? That guy's a huge. What are you? Just wanting white on the edge of it.
Play soccer. How is his health? He scored at his own goal.
Yeah, that guy's noob. He doesn't even know which one to. Q. Press Q. Press Q. Yeah, Q. Q. Right next to W. You're like keyboard. Get the ball. Whoa, that guy's noob. He doesn't even know how to. What goal is his?
Oh my god.
Can I play? You have the speed boost. Why don't you just run right into him? Can I play? Can I play? This guy's a huge noob. Let me play and so I can get some shots. What?
Oh my god. Okay, you play. This sucks. How do you play this? Yeah, I'll play.
No, I'm playing. This guy's a huge noob. I can easily get him. There's a ball. Just shoot at the goal. Okay.
You're a bot.
Yeah, I'm more bot than you. He just scored it for me. What? Why?
Play.
What?
I'm playing. I want to play. No, just let him score.
Yeah, let him score.
Yeah,
Just cheering for him. You're shooting white at
Just
the
let him
goalie.
score.
There you're shooting white at the goalie. Why are you running wide into the?
No.
You're just running wide into the robot. Seriously.
Stop. No.
Just tackle him. Tackle him.
He's scoring for you. You don't
Tackle
even-
him. It's not like he's gonna get in that much. Why are you spinning? Why won't you? Oh my god! You're shooting so high. Can I play? These guys are actually, yeah. Just do this. Just keep. Don't try. Actually, yeah, you win because 1v0. You're still winning. Okay.
30 seconds left.
By the way, this is how you get the RB Battle badge. And if you get all the badges, you can unlock like a special wings. And speak a bit louder if you want to say anything.
Come out. I'm gonna wrap it for you. Yeah!
What?
No, he didn't score.
Not like that noob is gonna. Why are you running right into a goalie? Can I play? Well, you're shooting wide. Okay, now you okay, you see how this is RB Battle Super Striker Leaf Winner Award? Like on the right? So that's the badge. So now, to get the badge, like put the badge in. So first you just go to the RB Battles game, which is, you just press games, but it's up and coming. Just like, it's in the up and coming section. You just like, keep on sticking. That's RB Battles, the better one. So then you can put the badges inside it. And then after you, I'll show you here. So this is how you get the first badge in Super Striker League. So basically how you get badges is every time two contestants, versus each other in RB battles, and that game will have the badge. I don't know if you understand me, but yeah. So the badges area is right here. Yeah. So then you put it here, your screen will flash black a second, and then it'll come like right here. Now I got the Super Striker badge. It's a soccer one right here. And if we get all the badges like Build a Bow, Irons Way Out, Piggy, Jailbreak, what's this? Is that Beat It? World Beat? And then this is, no idea. I think that's I think this is the RB Battle game. So this is, I don't know what this is. It's Breaking Cloud. Oh, never mind. I know what this is. This is the build game, like build battles. You just basically build. That's how you get the first badge. The third badge. I didn't really do any videos on how to get these two badges, but basically you just do the parkour tower and just go to the top. So bye guys, subscribe to my channel and be sure to